Want to save hours every day and make money at the same time? Here are 5 AI tools that can transform your life in 2025. Use ChatGPT to write content, blogs, and scripts. You can even sell services online. Got a blog or text? Pictory turns it into Canva lets you create posts, resumes, and templates you can sell. Jasper writes catchy ads and product descriptions in seconds. Notion AI helps organize your life and create templates you can resell. These tools aren't just for saving time, they can actually make you money. Follow for more AI plus side hustle hacks. Links in bio to try these tools.